What's the secret sauce that propels some individuals to the pinnacle of success while others remain bystanders? Could it be a series of habits consistently practiced over time? The answer is a resounding yes. Today we delve into 7 key habits that foster success in life. Starting with habit number 1, goal setting. Imagine a ship without a destination. It would simply drift aimlessly. Similarly, without clear, defined goals, our actions tend to lack purpose and direction. From the world's most successful entrepreneurs to top athletes, one common thread is the habit of setting realistic, achievable goals. They visualize their desired outcomes, setting SMART goals which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Moving on to the second habit, time management. Time, unlike money, is a non-renewable resource. Successful individuals understand this and make every moment count. They prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and use tools to manage their time effectively. Think about Elon Musk, who splits his time between multiple ventures, yet manages to be highly productive in each. Habit number 3, continuous learning. The world is evolving at a breathtaking pace, and those who don't learn, unlearn, and relearn risk being left behind. Many successful people are voracious readers, lifelong learners, always seeking to broaden their horizons and deepen their understanding. Bill Gates, for instance, is known for reading a book every week. Next comes habit number 4, maintaining a positive mindset. Challenges and setbacks are part and parcel of the journey to success. However, successful people view these not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth. They maintain a positive outlook, knowing that their mindset determines their reality. Habit number 5, networking. Success in many ways is about creating and maintaining relationships. Successful people understand the power of networking. They invest time and effort in building meaningful relationships within and outside their field. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist, attributes much of her success to her extensive network. The 6th habit is self-discipline. Success is not an overnight phenomenon. It requires discipline, focus, and consistency. Successful people are disciplined in their actions, whether it's maintaining a healthy lifestyle, managing finances, or working towards their goals. Think of athletes like Serena Williams, whose discipline and dedication to her craft are legendary. Finally, habit number 7, adaptability. In a world that is constantly changing, the ability to adapt is crucial. Successful people are open to new ideas, willing to change their approach, and quick to seize emerging opportunities. Consider tech giants like Google, which constantly adapts to stay ahead of the curve. In summary, these 7 habits, goal setting, time management, continuous learning, maintaining a positive mindset, networking, self-discipline, and adaptability, are common traits among successful individuals. Practicing these habits consistently can set the stage for a successful life both personally and professionally. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey, and these habits can guide you on that journey.